Imagine having access to 500 million worth of home appliances na pwede mo nang ibenta ngayon kahit wala kang sariling inventory. Yes, you heard that right, resellers. This is huge. The biggest appliances inventory Blispenta has ever offered is now officially available inside the platform. Air fryers, vacuum cleaners, electric fans, and many more. Lahat ng yan ay available na kay Blispenta. At ito pa ang pinakamaganda, hindi mo na kailangan ng malaking kapital. No warehouse, no stock buying, no risk. Upload mo lang ito sa iyong Shopee, Lazada, or TikTok at kami nang bahala sa packing, shipping, at fulfillment. Home appliances are high demand and high profit products. Mas mataas ang markup, mas malaki ang kita, at mas mabilis ang conversion dahil kailangan ito ng bawat household. This 500 million appliances access isn't just an update. It's a massive income opportunity already open and exclusively for Blispenta resellers.